Hey guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you Codeigniter and to create a model, view and controller, and then we will fetch a data from a database. So everything we will learn from scratch. I will not escape any steps. So this example will help you a lot to understand Codeigniter, right? So let's download a Codeigniter and create a model, view, controller and fetch data from a database, right? So let's download Codeigniter and click on the first link and download Codeigniter 3, and let's download on desktop, save it. So it's downloading for us. It's a 2.6 megabytes of files. So yeah, this is downloaded. So we have to copy and paste inside our XAMPP. Go to this PC, go to C drive, go to XAMPP and go to htdoc, right, and paste that zip file here and extract here. Yeah, and where it is, yeah, this one, and let's rename it ci app tutorial. You can give any name, right? So let's run this application. So how Codeigniter looks like on a default setting. So let's put your project name and hit enter. So this is a default page, right? And this is a Codeigniter. So first step we have done to download and install a Codeigniter. The next thing is we need to create a database and create a table and insert some dummy data, right? And we will fetch. So already I have a table here. Let me show you. And table name is a customer here, ID, name, city, country, right? And some dummy data, right? So we'll import this data. So let's copy and create a new file here. Right click and customer table, and you can give any name, right? But its extension is SQL. Let's yes, and open inside in your code editor, and let's copy the code from here and paste it. So we'll import this data in our MySQL. So let's create a new database and give a CI app and any database name and create it, and then import that data, that customer data, inside our database. So customer table has been imported. So let's check customer table imported or not. So guys, you can see here is a customer table and have some dummy data, name, city and country. So this data will fetch through a Codeigniter, right? So next step is just configure our database, right? So let's go here, close here, and this is where it is, our project is ci app tutorial. Go to application, go to config, and here we need to open two files. One is a database and config.php. So let's drag and drop it here. So this is config.php. First we need to set our base URL, and base URL is simply here, copy and paste it here, and let's close this one, and database. So let's put zoom in. Username of our database is root, password is blank, and database name is ci app, and close this one as well and this one as well, right? So two steps we have done. Now we need to create a model, then we will create a controller, and then we will create a view, right? So let's create a model, view and controller. So model name, we have to create a customer model. You can create any model, right? But I'm creating customer model. So just go here, and here is a models, and we'll create a customer model, new, and paste that customer model.php, yes, and let's open here and drop here. Let's copy this code and paste it here, and here is a customer table we are selecting a data, select all from customers, and this is model, this is a class customer model, and this is a method get customers, and we are loading our database and selecting some data from database, right? All the data, not some data, all the data from customer table. And we are returning this query dot result array. So let's close this one. Now we have to create a controller which is data. Let me data controller dot php. Let's copy and create a controller and create a new file. And this is a customer data controller dot php. You can give any name, right? No problem. And let's copy this code and paste it here. So we have loaded this customer model here, and call the method which is get customers. This is customer model and get customers, right? And we are storing this inside this customer key, right? And this is array data, and we are passing this data to in a view, right? And view name is a data. So this is this load and view, and this is a data. So let's create a data view. Come back views, and let's create a new and data.php, and let's open here. And here are a view. Let's copy and paste it here. And simply this is a bootstrap. Yeah, let's change the page title, fetch data in a CI. And I'm using a bootstrap through a CDN, and here is a bootstrap table, and its class is a table, and this is name, city and country, right? If you know HTML, it will help you a lot, right? And just simply getting a for each loop, and get the key value, right? This is key and this is value customers. And so this customer variable is exactly matched to here customers, and you can add a dollar sign and customers, and this is key and value. So customers, all customers name, city and country will comes here. Now all the data, and we can get through this key value pair, right? So customers name, customer city, customer country, right? So pretty easy, right? Control S for save. So I think we should run our application and see how it looks, right? So let's yeah, already we have here, and here we need to type index.php, right? Because application go through this file, and then it will do a action of some other files, right? And also we can remove this index.php file. I'll show you in a minute. So let's go to here customer, and this is a customer data table, but this will return error. Yeah, right? So this page is not found. For that we have to create we have to load a URL helper and some libraries. So let's go to config and go to autoload.php file and come here, and let's here is a library. Let me show you libraries, and just load our database library. And second is a helper. This is a helper, and load this URL helper, right? Control S for save. And when you refresh, still it's not coming, right? So let me check index.php data controller, right? So let's check this data controller.php file, data controller.php. I think this is okay, but CI app tutorial index.php, yeah, because I have added the file extension here, right? And you can see here is our data, right? So when you remove pretty much we have done, but when we remove, one thing I have to teach you, when we remove this index.php, it will show an error, right? So for that we have to create a new file, which is configuration file of our Apache, and that is .htaccess file. So in a root CI app tutorial, here we will create a new file .htaccess and remove .txt, and let's come here and drop it here, and just remove index.php. Scroll down, and here is a code of htaccess. Let's copy and paste it here, and when you refresh, the data again comes, right? So this way you can use. And if you want to change a default controller, because default, when you control X, when you go to application, the default controller is welcome. So let's change default controller to data controller. So for that, just go to application config, and here is a config. No, yeah, here is a routes.php. Just drag and drop it here, and you can simply change welcome to data controller, right? And refresh. So you can see the name is Rathorji, Zone Amit, Rohit, and city Mumbai, Washington DC, Delhi, Indore, and there are the countries, right? So this way we can create a model view controller and fetch the data from a database. So in a simple way, I have taught you very simple steps to work with the Codeigniter. So guys, if you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. And if you have any questions and doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. So we'll see you soon. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.